Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Roblox Studio on Chromebook. It's quick and easy, so let's get started. First thing you have to do is go to saucelabs.com. Once you're here, tap on live and then cross browser. From here, you can actually choose anything, but in my case, I'll choose 120. After that, choose what OS version you have and then click on Start Test. So let's just wait for it to load. And there we go. So tap on the link at the top and paste the link of the roblox.com/create and just enter after that. After that, this will appear, so just tap on the right button. And then here, tap on the Roblox Creator Hub. And now we can start creating. Just click on that. And now download Studio. So let's check on the download section if it's downloaded. And there we go. Just tap on that to install the Roblox Studio. Just wait for it to be installed. It will take just few seconds or minutes. And there we go. We've successfully installed Roblox Studio on Chromebook. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!